The Aston Martin DB4 Series II is a symbol of elegance, performance, and British automotive craftsmanship. Launched in October of 1958, the DB4 marked a significant turning point for Aston Martin, being the first model of the David Brown era to feature Carrozzeria Touring's Superleggera bodywork. This 1960 Series II model, restored by Thornley Kelham, is a testament to the timeless appeal and engineering excellence of the DB4. Engine and performance upgrades. The original engine, upgraded to triple SU Vantage spec by the Aston Martin factory in 1963, was completely rebuilt by R.S. Williams to a 4.7-liter specification. This upgrade included a refurbished triple carburettor setup by Burlen systems, ensuring optimal performance. The rear axle was rebuilt with a 3.06 crown wheel and pinion, Powr-Lok limited slip differential, and new half shafts, as recommended for this engine specification. The chassis and body shell were comprehensively rebuilt by Bodylines, the leaders in DB Aston panel work. Using original factory bucks, new bumpers were crafted to fit this car perfectly. The body was then primed and painted in a period-correct shade of metallic green chosen by the new owner. Interior and comfort. The interior was retrimmed using Connolly Valmol hides in natural tan leather, matched to a West of England cloth headlining. This attention to detail ensures that the cabin not only looks stunning, but also provides the comfort and luxury expected from an Aston Martin.